Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I want to share with you guys these super easy little embellishments that I made using the Hey Pumpkin collection by Crepe Paper, which is this one. I'm sure you guys have seen it a million times, but I'm finally getting around to playing with it. I did put it on my October daily, but yesterday I decided to cut apart all my chipboard pieces and put them in here, and then I put all my ephemera pieces inside another one of these little boxes. This doesn't belong here. And I stitched on a bunch of pieces that way that when I need them, they're all ready to go. Let me get that. So there's a bunch of pieces that are already stitched up, so there's going to be a few projects coming up, so stay tuned for that using the Hey Pumpkin collection. But I first wanted to start off making these little circle embellishments, and they're super easy. I used a die that I found in my stash, but you guys don't kill me. I don't know where it's from, because I feel like there's like a mixture of dies in here. So I used a regular circle one. Let me see here. I used this one that kind of looks like a little doily, and then hopefully you guys can see that. And this one that has like a little sun shape, and then a stitched circle. So those are the dies that I use to make these little embellishments. Let me see if I can bring it up closer. So this one in the back, the black paper, is using these little dies right here. And then you have the stitch circle, which is a white paper, and that's using this die. And then the third layer is this one right here, which kind of looks like a sun to me, and that's the one that I have right on top. So it's propped up on foam, not too thick. And then I have just a sticker from the sticker pack from the collection, and of course, wait a minute, and I'm using, of course, some of my pink cheesecloth, because you guys know that I'm like super obsessed with it and I've been using it like crazy. So these are the layers. And this is super easy. And you can do this with regular circles. You don't need to have these dies. You can do it with anything. Just get 3 different sizes that kind of go from, like, you know, large, medium, and small. And then all you want to do is get some foam tape. And I'm going to place the foam tape there. You start your layers. And add your foam tape here. And put your next layer, and then you get your little cheesecloth. So I just grab like a little piece, doesn't have to be perfect, and I just place that right on top. And I'm gonna make one like this one, because on these I didn't even show you guys the ones that I made, but I'll show you in a few minutes. I have these tickets that I have found in my stash. Where are they? Right here. And these are like Dear Lizzie tickets, and I like the color because the Hey Pumpkin collection has like this mint green in it. So we're gonna do another one with the tickets because I only made one. So we're gonna grab 2 tickets, and they're meant to be stickers, but I'm not gonna peel off the back because I'm gonna staple them together anyway, just like that. And I'm going to add some foam tape to lift them up. And then we're going to place that right on top of the cheesecloth. This one I put the cheesecloth on the top, but I want to put this one in the back. And I'm going to add some hot glue. And then lastly, we're going to pick a sticker from the sticker pack. I'm thinking I want to do October 31st. And we're going to place some foam tape on that as well to prop it up, just to give it more of a layered look. And add some extra adhesive. So I always put a little bit more of hot glue on top of it. And then place that right on top. And that is it, you guys. I would add little spiders, which I plan on doing, but you guys, I completely ran out. I just ordered some more, but you can put little spiders, you can put little enamel dots. I want to leave these plain, but let me show you what they look like. This is the first one. I think they turned out so cute. Get this one. And all you really need are the cardstock stickers or anything you have in your stash. And there's this one. And then of course the ones with the tickets, which I think are super cute. But yeah, you guys, that is my super quick little tutorial for some circle embellishments. Let me know down below if you guys are going to try it, and stay tuned for more tutorials, more craft with me's, more Halloween videos coming soon. Bye guys.